One of my most viral videos is my whipped feta dip, and today we're making whipped ricotta dip with rosemary. Let's go. First, we season our cherry tomatoes and bake at 400. Then we add ricotta, olive oil, cooking cream to a food processor, and add in some fresh rosemary, honey, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. Process again. Look how creamy that is. Now we add our roasted tomatoes in the center of our dip. Don't forget to add the olive oil from the tomatoes all over. Top with black pepper and fresh rosemary. Full recipe on my Instagram, website, and YouTube. Enjoy.